Welcome. In front of me is a BIGME HIBREAK, and today I will show you how you can enable your hotspot on this device. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings and then navigate to hotspot and the tethering, which is somewhere at the very top. Select Wi-Fi hotspot, and you can number one turn it on from here by just flipping it on. But I recommend first tapping on the hotspot password, which will reveal the randomly generated password that is set when you set up your device for the first time. I do recommend getting rid of this and just setting up your own password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters or numbers, doesn't really matter, or both. And then click on OK to save it. From there, when you want to use it, just tap on the check mark and you're good to go. When you enable it, it also gives you the option to show a QR code, so you can quickly connect it using QR code instead of the password. Once you're done, you can turn it off by navigating back into the Wi-Fi hotspot settings and just toggling it off in here like so. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.